Designing your own packaging on Stuller.com is easy. I'm going to walk you through putting a logo onto a ring box. First, I'm going to click on Packaging. Here you can see the two different methods we have for custom imprinting. There's digital imprinting, which uses ink that resists fading and flaking, and hot stamping, which uses a metal stamp to press your logo into the packaging. Here are all the price breakdowns, so you can see that the more you order, the more you save. Now, with digital imprinting, you can see that there's a lot more options for color. With hot stamping, there are fewer options for color, but more options for texture and feel. Now, these are designed a little bit more to leave a dramatic impression. For digital imprinting, there's a one-time $79 setup fee for each logo, and for hot stamping, there is a one-time $79 setup charge for each logo and each logo size. Our team can help you choose the right size for your packaging. Remember to call with any questions to our hotline here at the bottom of the page. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Shop Boxes. Now we can see all of the different collections we can choose from. I'm just going to go ahead and pick from the Linden collection. Both digital imprinting and hot stamping are available for this collection, and you can see that by these logos here next to each product. So to get started, I'm just going to click on the words Add Your Logo. So the first thing I'm going to do is change this to a ring box, and I think I want to use a cream color. Down here in the other customization options, you can see that there's steps in case you need a reminder of how to go through the process, and guidelines for creating and uploading your logo. So I'm just going to add imprinting to the top of the box. For this one, I'll choose digital imprinting. Now you can see here that hot stamping isn't available, and it could be because of the imprint location, the material we're using, or even the size of the box. So here we have some logos that have already been uploaded. This one has a note that says it's for Valentine's Day and to use the color from file. And this one has a note that says use this color on the outside of boxes and to choose teal as the ink color. Now with digital imprinting, you do have a lot of options. You can either use the colors from the file, select a Pantone color if you happen to know that, or if you know the custom Cmyk colors, you can type those in here, or if there's something you're looking for, you can just play around until you see the thing that you want. We know that we want to use teal for this one, so I'm going to select from our standard colors. I'm also going to add an additional color. One of the benefits of using digital imprinting is that you can use two different colors. I'm going to make the text be this teal color and then use a charcoal gray for the diamond shape. I'm just going to leave some instructions for the imprinting team so they know what I want. Scroll down here, and for the second color, I'm going to select charcoal gray. I'll leave a note letting them know. And now that we have those things specified, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And we see our changes updated here in the customization options. Now let's go ahead and add a different shape and color on the inside of the box. For this, I'm going to pick hot stamping to get that nice impression. I have a different logo I want to upload. So I'm just going to pick my diamond outline here, which I've already prepared. I'm going to leave myself a little note. So these notes are just for you and for people using your account. The team here at Stuller won't be able to see those. I'm going to click Save Logo. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to click metallic teal. Okay, save that. And now we can see everything we've made changes to. Let's go ahead and say how many we want. We want to get 100 of these and add that to our cart. We can see it added to our cart over here. Let's go ahead and view our cart and check out. Okay. Now you can review your order one more time to make sure everything's right. We got the teal for the text color, and it's not going to show up in this preview, but this is just so that our team knows what to do. And the charcoal color for the diamond, and then a metallic teal for inside using hot stamping. All right, it's as easy as that. And just remember that putting your logo on your packaging adds to an unforgettable jewelry experience that will keep customers coming back to your store.